When you do GIT, you have to touch on gross anatomy of um, some organs in the gastrointestinal system so that you can be able to better relate their anatomy, how they look, okay? The features, the type of cells in them, and the functions, okay? Talking about functions, talking about maybe they secrete enzymes, they secrete hormones, okay? So you better correlate them, okay? So in this lecture, we'll be talking about the gross anatomy of the pancreas. Okay, people call it pancreas, some people call it what? Pancreas, whichever way, bro. So that's it. Okay, so gross anatomy of the pancreas. Of course, this is the pancreas like this. All right. So this is what we'll be talking about in this lecture. Stay tuned. So the pancreas is an accessory organ. Okay, even without looking at the lecture, if you listen to me properly, you're able to decipher this lecture. So it is an accessory enzyme organ, okay, an exocrine gland of the digestive system, as well as a hormone producing endocrine gland, okay. So it is a retroperitoneal organ consisting of 5 parts and an internal system of ducts, okay. So the pancreas is supplied by what? Pancreatic arteries stemming from surrounding vessels, okay, and is innervated by the vagus nerve, okay, and also the cephalic plexus and the superior mesenteric plexus, okay. I think I don't have an image showing the nervous supply of the pancreas here, okay, but it's just easy to grab. Vagus nerve, celiac plexus, and superior mesenteric plexus. Okay, so the 5 parts of the pancreas are the what? Head, the uncinate process, the neck, the body, and the tail. Okay, the pancreas have 5 parts, all right, and these are the parts I'm listing. So the organ is approximately what? 15 centimeter long and lies oblique across the posterior abdominal wall at the level of the L1 and L2 vertebral bodies. So the pancreas come in contact with several neighboring structures as it traverses the epigastric and the left hypochondriac and a small portion of the umbilical regions of the abdomen. So just talking about the location of the pancreas, I think I can be able to locate the head of the pancreas here, and this should be the body, okay? But it has 5 parts though. These ones are not really labeled, okay? So just check up online where they label the pancreas into the 5 different parts. Okay, so this is it. So now let's do some bullet points about the pancreas. It is a retroperitoneal gland and it is posterior to the stomach, okay? So it has the head, body, and tail, okay? It is an endocrine and exocrine gland. It secretes enzymes and hormones, okay? So among the hormones, we have insulin and glucagon, and they are secreted into the blood, okay? So it also secretes what? 150 milliliter of pancreatic juice into the duodenum. And this juice consists of what? Water, enzymes, zymogens, sodium bicarbonate, and other pancreatic enzymes, okay, are also activated by exposure to bile, okay. So pancreas can like secrete some stuff, but they are not active, okay. They are like in their pro stage, okay. So for them to be activated, they have to be exposed to bile, okay. So now let's talk about some stuff, okay. So I'm glad we have the pancreatic duct here, of which that's what we are talking about next. Now the pancreatic duct runs the length of the gland, okay, to open at the sphincter of OD, okay. Pancreatic duct, okay, runs the length of uh of the whole gland, okay, to open at the sphincter of OD, okay. So now accessory duct opens independently on the duodenum, okay. These are like some bullet points about the pancreas, all right. So that's it, and this is actually physiology lecture, so we won't really go in depth on the anatomy, okay. We'll just talk on things that are relevant to physiology, okay. So if you want to see our videos on in-depth pancreas, I think I'll soon start the abdomen anatomy very soon, and I'll make an in-depth lecture on the gross anatomy of the pancreas, okay. So for physiology sake, we are done with the gross anatomy of the pancreas. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.